What is up, YouTube? Map to Success here. It's your boy Ace Crypto back again with another video. It is currently January 8th, 2018, and we're just gonna do a scheduled checkup on the coin market cap. This is basically coinpuffs.com, and I started using this market cap over the traditional market cap that most of the cryptocurrency users are using. This one is basically a more in-depth detail. It shows you a lot more, like it actually gives you a more realistic term of like numbers, and as far as how everything has been going in the market, it does a pretty good job showing you a lot more real-time updates than most of the other market caps out there that are showing people what the price drops are, what it actually does. It goes through all the reviews. Like for instance, you want to find out what Bitcoin is. It actually shows you. It shows you the graph, just like some of the coin-based market caps out there. It shows you a graph. It shows you exactly what Bitcoin is. It shows you indicators. You have indicators. It shows you the social groups. It shows you the historical data. You can go through. It shows you when it climbed, when it fell, and it goes on and on and on. Oh, and it actually shows you what the biggest winners are for the day and the biggest losers are for the day. Basically, the biggest winners are T-Coin, Exabyte, Tatscoin, BitVegan, and Red Crow Coin. And it shows all the percentages over here. It has the biggest losers: HODL Coin, Heel Coin, Metal Coin, Leverage Coin, Lucky Blocks. A lot of these coins a lot of people don't really know about, but they're still in the background because there's so many different coins out that a lot of people really don't know about, and a lot of them are making a lot of profits. But do your research, trying to find out exactly what these coins are before you invest, guys. Like I always tell you, do your own due diligence, do your research. That's how you're going to find out. I'm going to do a couple other videos that will show you how you could actually do research to find good altcoins and how you could actually grow your portfolio and other things that you could use as far as like ICO goes. Because I know a lot of people are getting into ICOs more, trying to get in while it's still going. Because most of the coins that are out there that are good, I noticed that people they tend to take it over a lot quicker. And when they take over and the ICOs sell out, then you're just waiting for the product to be launched. And a lot of people know that when you get in on the ICO stage, that's where you tend to get a lot of profits. The more the ICO does, the better of a profit that you could get from it, and so on and so forth. So I would actually recommend that you guys do some research on that, and I'm gonna do another video on that. But this is what I really want to show you guys. Basically, I stumbled up across this new website that they have. This is called Bank for You Group. And basically what these guys are doing is simply groundbreaking. Now, this blockchain technology is just getting bigger and bigger as far as like decentralization goes. And I have never seen anything this much more exciting than cryptocurrency. It's just mind-blowing seeing how they actually come up with these different strategies, all these different ideas. So let's get into it, guys. Basically, this group is actually trying, well, they're doing more than trying. They're actually here to replace remittance services. So all the all the crazy fees and all the headaches and all that stuff that you had to go through with Western Union and the MoneyGrams and all those other platforms that they have out there, they're actually doing this to replace all of them. Now, I think they had two ICOs that they already went through, and they're trying to raise, well, this is their round three, and it's closing in a little over 22 days, and they're trying to raise this amount right here. So this is I think their milestone that they're trying to get to is $5 million. They've reached they've reached the soft cap that they have is 2.5 million. So they're basically they're actually trying to raise up to $5 million, and this is what they've actually raised already. They've actually surpassed their soft cap that they have of 2.5 million. They're almost at 3 million. So they're doing pretty good. A lot of people are invested in it because a lot of people like the idea. I love the idea that they came out with, and it gets better. Basically what they're doing is they have a token, and their token is actually something that is pretty interesting. Let me show you a video of how they're actually planning on doing this. It's pretty interesting. Let's check it out for a minute. Okay, so you basically seen what they're actually talking about there. They're actually a mobile banking app, and they're actually trying to revolutionize the way that you could get money through remittance services. And they have it here where they said benefits for all. Ecosystem participants, users. It says real-time money transfers using mobile money and mobile airtime. Enhanced security. Everyone can be a participant. There are no geographical restrictions. So it doesn't matter what part of the world you're from, you can join it. You could order a card, and you could use this card and send money anywhere in the world. As long as you have internet and a smartphone, you're good to go. And this is something that it just keeps getting better, guys. It just keeps getting better. It just seems like every day or every week you hear something better coming out that has to do with blockchain technology and banking and just having more control. That's what it is. And that's what more of the people need. They need to have more control over their finances. For far too long, they've been having all these hiccups where they have limited options. They didn't know they didn't know where to turn, where to go. They were just stuck. That they showed you in the video where all those countries didn't even have access to a decent bank. Now this is actually creating a way so they could actually take control or have something that they've never had in decades. And that's truly amazing. So this is something to definitely look into. They have here where it says no banks or any other types of commission fees. So it's free. It's free to I think it's free to send and it's free to receive. But they actually have this on the Play Store and on the Google they have it on the Google Play Store and then on the Apple App Store. It's called Bank for You Group, or I believe you could just search for Bank for You. It'll come up because it actually is there running. It's free to download. You could download it, set it up. You could actually get a card. They have free tokens for the ICO. I believe they give you a bonus if you're interested. This is what the app looks like. They have one that you could use where you could go if you're a free traveler, like you like to travel to Europe and places like those, Paris, France. You could actually get a card where you could go there and you could use that card to shop, and you don't pay a dime in taxes. All you do is you just buy whatever it is, whatever it costs. That's what you pay. That's it. I think this is amazing. You will save a lot of money using this service. This is actually one of my top picks for this week as far as banking ideas go. This is pretty awesome. This is one of the most revolutionary products that I've seen yet as far as remittance services goes. They are definitely going to have to step their game up a lot if they're going to try to overtake these people and their new ideas that they came up with. They're going to have to do a lot. That's all I have to say about that. Anyways, they go on to say Mobile Money Remittance System, MMRS, is an innovative electronic payment system which enables safe execution of cross-border mobile money transfer between currencies and the possibility to withdraw funds in the local currency using products of the local mobile operators such as mobile money and mobile airtime. Bank for You Group believes mobile money remittances should be fast, convenient, and safe. And it goes on and on here. But you're free to check it out, guys. Just look at it. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button below. Turn on post notifications. Hit the little bell icon so you could know when I upload a new video, so you could stay informed, stay on top of the game, know what's new, and what to look for. This is Map to Success. This is Ace Crypto signing out. Take care. Peace.